Have you ever wondered how data compression works? Today we dive deep into why LZ77 uses sliding windows to compress information efficiently. LZ77 is a data compression algorithm that relies on a structure called the sliding window. This approach allows LZ77 to look for repeated sequences within recent history of the input stream. Data, allowing LZ77 to reference past content efficiently. This mechanism is crucial for reducing redundancy in the compressed output. If client no-context takeover is agreed upon, each new message can build on previous sliding window contents. This ensures continuity and enhances compression efficiency across messages. However, the original LZ77 has some inefficiencies that prevent its use in practical compressors today. Modern versions have improved upon these issues for better performance. Despite challenges like managing suffix trees within sliding windows, the concept remains foundational in compression algorithms. It's used not only as a standalone technique, but also integrated with other methods. In summary, LZ77 uses sliding windows to efficiently compress data by referencing past sequences. This method forms the basis for many advanced compression techniques today. Now you know why sliding windows are crucial in LZ77. What aspect of data compression surprised you most? Let me know in the comments below.